Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this. As you can see, I put some people in it, and today Huggy Wuggy for his 100th time is going in there. Okay, let's test. He's going in. So it kind of just sucks you in. It's pretty cool. If you get them on the middle, well, just let them stand. But it takes them quick. And I'll also do one that's not in slow motion. But that's how they come out. I guess sometimes their body parts go flying. But we're going to do a different one now. Okay. You know what? That's more like it. So Boxy Boo, but not in slow motion. Not slow motion's kind of ugly. See, oh my! I was like, see, they can stand on top. But he just got sucked. Now time for the best part. Okay, slow motion. Oh my god, this is gonna be cool. The top Huggy Wuggy's probably gonna stand in the thing. Guess I'm just gonna move him over. Oh, we can't. Oh my god! Oh my brother, they're all just getting sucked right in. The one I moved just got. Oh my god! Don't tell that one stands on the top. Yo, see their body. That guy's head just went flying. Yo, bro, he bent. There's body parts everywhere. Oh my god. This is nuts. What happens if we do that? Quick. Oh, so much blood. Oh god. So much gore. I was just commenting on a guy's video after he messaged me. Now I just take all these body parts back. No one escapes. But then why are these things like that? Oh, okay, I see. There's like bones. This side's normal. This side one is normal. Don't ask why all this stuff's said. I put a box in here. Do you think I should put one in here? What happens if I put... No, I already tested that. But what happens if I... Yeah, whatever. But I was going to put a fire thing in there. Okay, bye guys.